Hello guys, this is a new video and this is a Herobrine video. How to summon tutorial in this mod. I seem to cannot summon it. So I just did it. I haven't done this for a while. So yeah, let's do it. And that. And then that. Yeah, it's empty at the... Oh. I forget... Oh no, I forget the moss stone. Known as the mossy cobblestone. Yeah, it's moss stone. There we go. Put netherrack torches... What happened? Put that in again. Put that again. As you can see, it's the mist Herobrine. The fire's going weird. But I want to dig. Wait, what? Now I can't break stuff. Oh no. It's got to be a problem again. I deal with a lot of problems, you know? Like a lot, you know. So let's go down. Why not? Oh no, I don't know what I'm going to do. Oh wait, what? It can be found here? I didn't know that. And no banners. Yeah, there's a witch. Wait, that means this is Herobrine. And this means I'm nervous. And oh my god! What are you doing? I'm freaking out, guys. This never happened to my house. It just follows me, you know? Why? I don't know. It just follows me. Oh my god! I got caught. Drop strings, eh? Strings, eh? And now skinning drop, eh? Now where's Herobrine? Yeah, it's weird. No. Yeah, it's kind of weird. I'm getting weirder and weirder and weirder and just the weirdest. Let's change that to time. There you go. Wait, what? How do I do this? There you go. So I won't creep out. So here, oh wait. Now can we break blocks? Still a no. Why do I keep doing this? First I summon you, then this happened. I can't do anything. Here. Three, two, one, jump. Wait, what the? Alright. Now it didn't spawn any crazy stuff. But something's wrong with this. Something sticky's around. Shit. You'll see it last night. Now what's this? Herobrine, zombie, whatever. These are particular mobs. Put that down. At least he's not a Herobrine. I'm a zombie. Why do this mod make everything so hard? Yeah, I'm deleting this mod anyway. Well, I'm going to show you how to get it anyway. First, you had downloaded the 1.9. Not the Herobrine. I hate that Herobrine thingy. So you had to search for OP first. It means Optifine. And now it's done. Oh, there it is. Copy that. Go to your own Momsen. Wait, what? Not the Momsen. Machinabox. Minecraft mod. Yes. Alright, let's go. Now go to downloads again. And then you go to search for ENG Ender mod. There you go. You'll find these things that I don't know. Why don't it keep it so hard? I'm going to first search. Yeah, 1.9. Download the links down below. Or not, I'm not putting a link. Well, it's going to be a link. I'm adding a link for free this time. Wait, what? There you go, you had your own engine modded, blah blah blah, and I'm done. I'm done, guys.